and welcome to our fourth week of construction development design for aging services. This week we have a variety of resources available. There's a narrated PowerPoint on bond financing. It's a little bit dry. It's narrated by me as I listen to it. Sounds a little monotonish, but it really is just the basics of bond financing, which is really important to understand, because most large-scale projects, particularly CCRC projects, bond-based financing is one of the few ways to finance those projects. Of course, the last couple of years, not many of those projects have been financed. I think that's starting to change again. There's an article on trends and discussing the different kinds of financing available for senior housing. The article on the different kinds of financing available for senior housing came out in 2008. The descriptions are still accurate. What's changed in the last couple of years is the availability of those kinds of financing. So some of those types of financing that you'll read about may not be as available as they were a few years ago. In fact, probably most of them are not. However, the definitions of what kinds of financing could be available are still accurate. I've also added a new article that is called Aging in Place. It's the MetLife report. It just came out in January 2011, so in the last couple of weeks. Very timely report that discusses aging in place for older adults and different kinds of technologies and community designs that make that a possibility. There's a quiz this week. The quiz will cover the first 4 weeks of material. So the quiz includes material from this week. It will be loaded as an assignment, so you'll answer the short questions and submit it in the same way that you would an assignment, even though it's a quiz. So I hope everybody does well on the quiz and enjoys this week's material, and we'll talk to you again soon.